In this video, we will demonstrate how to back up the ONTAP Select Deploy configuration data. Then we will use the configuration backup to migrate the deploy instance to a new virtual machine. To back up the deploy configuration data, log in to the deploy utility CLI. The cluster show -detailed command reveals configuration details of this deploy instance. Enter the deploy backup command to create a backup file. A password is required to encrypt the backup file. The backup job begins. You can monitor its progress. The deploy backup show command will provide details about the backup job. A URL is provided so we can download the backup file. Enter the URL into a browser and log in with a deploy admin username and password. The backup file will download automatically. It's recommended to back up the deploy utility configuration frequently. Next, we will migrate our deploy configuration to a new virtual machine. We've installed a new deploy utility virtual machine. It's the same version as the original deploy utility. No configurations have been performed on the new deploy utility. Next, we will upload the configuration backup file to the new deploy utility. Now that the backup file has been uploaded to the new deploy utility, we will log in to the deploy CLI again. Enter the deploy backup restore command. We will be prompted for the password we use to encrypt the backup file. The restore job begins. We can monitor the progress. When the job completes, the deploy virtual machine will be automatically restarted. After the deploy virtual machine is back up and running, we will log in again to check the configuration. Notice the configuration of the new deploy utility is exactly the same as the previous one. Use these procedures to back up the deploy utility configuration and migrate to a new deploy virtual machine if necessary.